Hello everyone. Today's date is 30 November 2021 and my name is Kalpesh Dharmendra Badani. I have completed BE in Mechanical from Matashri College of Engineering and Research Center, Nashik. Today's video topic is containment. Containment is a way to implement has a relationship. Containment is a main part of OOP because Java is an object-oriented programming language. Containment is a way to implement has a relationship. In inheritance, implements is a relationship. The containment and inheritance. There are two techniques which are used to establish relationship between class and objects. In containment, we do not extend the class. In containment, we are use instance variable that refer to another object. Containment means containment is a relationship between two objects that one object contain another object where that object independent that object dependent on it. Where we are use containment and inheritance. First is in inheritance, where is a relationship is applicable, means its example is a car is a vehicle. So where we are use inheritance, the relationship between class and object is in inheritance we are use extend keyword that extend the subclass to parent class. Second is the containment. The relationship between two objects has the relationship between object has another object. Its example is a car is a battery. Battery is a part of car where applicable containment part. Its syntax is suppose there is a one class that is name is a student, and next class is a bike, and third class name is a laptop. In a student class, the variables are is a student name, student ID, and student college name. In a class in bike class bike, in bike class the name is a bike name and bike color. So we refer to bike class object into student class. In a student class we are used to bike class of object, and we create the in main method the class of student the class of object of a student class. By using student class of object, we are we are use or we are implement has a relationship between two objects. Means we catch the data of bike object, bike class and student class. Means we are want to print the bike name, then we are create the object of a bike class in a student class, and a student class object we create in a main method, and we access the data of a bike class by using student object. The next is the difference between in inheritance and uh, containment. The inheritance is a relationship is a relationship, and the containment relationship is a has a relationship. The code reusability in inheritance we are used only in one class, and the code reusability in containment we reuse the code in a multiple class. Third difference is in inheritance is we can achieve we in inheritance we does not the Java does not support the multiple inheritance, and in containment we can achieve the multiple inheritance. The last is difference between in inheritance and interface. We cannot reuse the code from final class, and in containment we reuse the code from final class. The advantages of containment is first is a code reusability, second is a cost cutting, third is a reduce redundancy. So that's all about today's video topic. So thank you.